You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this French composer, if you want to learn more names from French, but also more importantly from music, classical music. Absolutely stay tuned to the channel, got loads here. Paul de Senneville. Senneville is how it's said. Paul de Senneville. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Paul de Senneville. Paul de Senneville. Or in French again, let's listen carefully. Paul de Senneville. Paul de Senneville. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.